Kai Frost.
So we're on Kai Frost with part 3, exploring the different types of mysticism and their meanings. Islamic mysticism, Sufism, and the search for unity with God. Let's get to it. Islamic mysticism, Sufism, and the search for unity with God. Islamic mysticism, also known as Sufism, is a mystical Islamic belief system that seeks to find unity with God through spiritual practices and experiences. Sufism emphasizes the inner spiritual dimension of Islam and places great importance on personal experience and intuition. The goal of Sufism is to purify the soul and attain a state of spiritual enlightenment, which is achieved through the practice of dhikr, the remembrance of God. I mispronounced the word. For those that know how to pronounce, please leave a comment. Meditation, contemplation, and other spiritual exercises. Sufism also incorporates elements of poetry, certain music, dance, and art as a means of expressing the spiritual experience and connecting with the divine. Sufi orders or brotherhoods, forgive me for mispronouncing, for saying this word wrong, known as tariqas, have developed around charismatic spiritual leaders who guide their followers through a prescribed path of devotion and self-discovery. Overall, Sufism is a deeply spiritual and personal practice that seeks to find unity with God through the purification of the self and the attainment of spiritual enlightenment. Kai Frost signing off. That's that video. Stay tuned.